bilang financial planner, tanong lang po Sir Fitz, ano po ang signs na kailangan mo nang i-pull out or i-cut loss yung investment mo sa isang company? Isang sign ba ang pagbaba ng stock price at pagbaba ng binibigay na dividends? You have to, yes, it is a sign, pero it is not a signal to do it, no? So pag bumababa yung price sa isang company or bumababa yung mga binibigay na dividends, the next question to ask, parang yun yung ano mo, yun yung alarm, no? Na, oy, bakit bumababa yung price niya? Alarm lang yon. So it's a trigger for you to study the company. Bakit nga ba bumababa? Dalawa lang naman yung reason kung bakit bababa. It's because the company is not doing well as a business, or the economy, or there are outside factors beyond the company's control that is causing the price to go down. So for example, pandemic, wala magagawa yung mga negosyo ng pandemic, kaya bababa talaga yung price nila. Versus sa isang negosyo na nalulugi, wala nang bumibili ng produkto, nagiging obsolete na yung product nila, may mga competitors sila na sobrang aggressive at lumilipat na dun yung mga old customers nila. So dalawa yung reason. First is internal, or ibig sabihin, the reason why the price is falling is because the company is doing bad as a business. The second one is, dapat ito yung inuuna ko na para na-OC ako. So the first one is because the company is really doing bad as a business, and the second one is because of outside factors. If the reason are outside factors, then it might be a good idea to just hold the price. Pero kung ang reason kung bakit bumaba yung price niya is because the investors or the shareholders are starting to lose faith in the company because the business is really starting to go down, slow down, it's doing bad, then cut loss ka na. So ang pinaka-summary dyan is ano yung future prospects ng company as a business. Because a lot of stock analysts will agree with me that the stock price will always follow the income of the business. So kung profitable yung business, kahit na gaano kababa yung stock price yan, eventually aakyat kasi hahabulin niya yung stock price. And in fact, yung mga value investors, yung mga fans ni Warren Buffett, yan yung hinahanap yung mga magandang negosyo pero bagsak yung stock price. Yun yung binibili nila kasi alam nila na after X years, kapag napatunayan na nung company na profitable sila, na-realize ng market na maganda siyang negosyo, then definitely susunod yung stock price niyan. So, ask yourself how is the business of this company? If it's still doing well, it's stable, meron silang mga growth plans for the future, then hold it. Pero kung wala ka naririnig, walang plano, talagang nagsastruggle yung business, then mag-cut loss ka na. Okay? So, yun yung ating sagot sa'yo, Kimbert.